Hi guys, welcome to Aao Baatein Kare Pooja here. So this is a weekly read. So let's see what's in store for us for the collective between 13 to 19 December 2021. Okay. So as this is a general read, it won't resonate with each and every one. And if you want to book a private or personal read with me, all details in the tap link below. And I have already put up videos for solar and lunar eclipse which happened in Sagittarius and Taurus, so you can go and check that out also. And if you are a podcaster, podcast buff, I must say, Aao Baatein Kare podcast is now on more than 30 platforms around the globe. So you can go access more than 20 platforms in the tap link itself. Okay, so let's see. I have put up special podcast on North Node in Taurus, which is going to happen in 2022. So do go and check out. And how is it going to affect all of us? So this is for us between 13th to 19th of December. Let's see what's the vibe for the tribe. And I must say, for the last few weeks, the energy in all my readings is get back your power, make yourself a priority, breakthrough, community, collective. Wow, justice is coming. Beautiful. Don't we all need justice in so many things in life? And don't doubt your worth. I'm always enough. This is a special message for somebody who really needs to hear this today. Do not doubt yourself. Take control of your own narrative. You can decide your life. If you play a victim card, if you always play a victim card, that is where you're going to stay. But if you take back your power, if you realize your power, because we all have the power, and along the way you will get justice, but don't start with getting justice. Start with writing a new chapter of life for yourself. The chapter, start dreaming about it, start talking about it, start speaking about it, and start taking action towards it, because taking action is also so important. After the thought process, after Mercury, the next main thing is Mars takes action. Because if it's only words and there is no action, then it's just a dream. And from the dream to make it in 3D in a reality, we have to take that required action. Okay, so let's see. Oh, okay. First card is a death card. So let me clarify. Death also means rebirth. So do not forget, death also means rebirth and something new, because when something ends, something new takes its place. Please clarify the death card. Death and rebirth. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Another death card. Scorpio energy is... See this. Scorpio, Pluto energy is really loud. See this. My god. So death card is clarified with another death card, and this is the 10 of swords. So something that has been troubling you, that has been really what do you say, bleeding you to death, is going to come to an end. And it all starts with you making the decision. Yes, you want to move on. Yes, you want to balance what imbalance is going on in life. Yes, you are ready to take the first step. You have the strength, and you will start seeing small steps along the way. They will start with small messages, small uh, changes, small changes. It won't be like, yeah, from here you are in London the next day. No, that. So, but you will start seeing small signs, small symbols, small changes along the way. When once you decide, yeah, no longer. So see this. You are leaving behind this energy of low, no longer being all the time in low vibe or being disappointed. What are you doing about it? Once you come to know you have a problem, or there is some medical condition, something, what do we do about it? We go to the doctor, we listen, we take our meds, we start doing exercise or whatever he has advised us. We start making lifestyle changes. So it is very important to do something about it after knowing it. So especially for the collective, we are all going towards something new, which will bring us money, which will be one of our passions. And maybe some of y'all, it was a very old dream, a dream which y'all had dreamt many years back, and now is the time for y'all to fulfill that dream. And after pandemic, all of us have learned many things, but we have also learned to survive a pandemic, to start from zero, to start like a phoenix. When everything is from ashes, we have started rebuilding our lives. So this is our resilience. This is what is the power of strength. See this. So with this power, we have to make full use and move towards our passion, move towards our new narrative in life. What do we want our lives to be here on? We can't change the past, we can learn from the past, but we can move ahead towards our dreams and our goals. Okay? So this is really positive and really powerful, because when a death card is clarified with another death card, it's not a joke. And let's see what is the message from the universe. What is the advice from the universe? Ordinariness, going with the flow. It is very important to start doing small things in life which makes us very happy. Having a cup of coffee with your friend, with your partner, listening to your favorite music, reading a book, and start going on meeting people who resonate with you. Stay away from negativity, because lot of people are projecting what they feel inside. If you feel negative, you project negativeness. If you feel good, you project a feeling of positivity around you. So start going around people or meeting people who give you positivity, and it is all in the understanding. Once you understand your worth, once you understand what you want in life, then go with the flow. And this adventure can begin the day you decide. So you have the power to change this narrative. Just see this. So you have the power to change this narrative, change this style of living. If you're not happy with where you are, whether it's in a job, whether it's in relationship, whether you are not happy in your present situation, whatever the reason, you have the power. You have to take the first step for things to change, and start writing, start manifesting, start a vision board. There are so many videos on my channel for all these things. Go and check it out. So you will have to do the work. Nobody is going to come and give you in a plate. Here, okay, next. No. How important is that dream for you? How much are you ready to work for it? Or how much are you ready to crib in the present situation? The choice is yours. Okay, so I hope you all have got the message, and I hope you all start writing a beautiful new narration, a new dream life for yourselves. So if you like the video, do share, like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And what do you want your dream life to be? Let me know in the comment section below. Till then, take care. Love you all. Have a great day. Bye bye.